Good morning, dear friends. Today I am here at Mithanpura to tell you about an institute which is one of the oldest institute in our city, and the name of that institute is the DIIT British English Institute. It was started about 15 years ago by our mentor and director Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Singh, who has the experience of working in corporate sector, and through that experience he is imparting the knowledge of communication skills and technical skills of computers. And right now speech competition is going in our institute, so let's come with me and talk to our director. So a mega event is going in our institute. So let's come and talk to our mentor and director. Good morning, sir. We
Good morning.
want to know that why have you started this institute and why do you organize such competition on a very regular basis?
First of all, I would like to tell you that why I have established this institution. I have established this institution because we know very well that what is the condition of Bihar, and the condition and level of the students are not up to the mark in the field of English. So I just decided that why not we should educate the person who are not able to speak in English, and because of that our Bihar has to face lots of problems. So I decided to establish this institution before 14 years, and it has been successfully running. And I would like to tell you that most of the students are now educated by our self, and after that they are just improving, and they are just doing lots of things in the field of English. And because of that they are getting lots of opportunity, because you know very well that what is the value of English, and if a student don't know English, then definitely they are going to face lots of problems. That's why we decided to do like that.
How a student can learn English in a very easy way, because a student thinks that English is a thing of only big city people, not tier 2 tier 3 city people. So what would you like to say to those students?
If I would like to tell about this institution, and one thing I must tell you that here our students have been divided into three categories. Number one is zero level, average level, and advanced level. Whenever any student just come here, they are asked that what is your level, or they are tested by myself. And when I decide that no, this student's condition is not up to the marks in the field of English, they are just put in, you can say that, in basic level, where students has to just learn from, you can say that, from the grassroots of level, so that they can just enhance. And I'm just especially caring of each and every student, so that if the students are facing any kind of problem, they are going to be just do something better like that. And for that I'm always just asking. And another thing is that after the class, also students are just told that if you are not able to solve your problem, then please sit in my office and just talk to me. I will definitely solve. And translations are also made, vocabularies are also remembered, so that they can just enhance.
Lastly, what message would you like to give to our city people who wants to learn English in this city?
Especially my city, or you can say that our city, Muzaffarpur. If I talk about Muzaffarpur, that Muzaffarpur is very leading, you can say that, city of North Bihar, where most of the people are just coming to educate themselves. And you know very well that Muzaffarpur has become the hub of, you can say that, in the field of education. Even especially students from Motihari, Sitamarhi, Samastipur, Darbhanga, they are just coming here to educate themselves. But what is the basic problem? The basic problem is that whenever they are going to just study somewhere, they face one of the biggest problem, and the problem is English. Whenever they are going to attend their classes, then what happens, their English are not easily understandable. That's why they are just facing lots of problems. So I would like to tell about to all the citizens of Muzaffarpur, if you want to educate yourself, if you are facing any kind of problem, then please talk to or knock the door of the DIIT British English, where most of the students are coming to learn something, to educate something, so that they can just speak in English. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.